This is the Kia Soul EV 2015-2019, and if you need to find the fuse boxes, they are pretty easy to get to. The one is here, the interior fuse box. Here is the map for this fuse box, and here are the fuses, and also OBD2 port, by the way. The fuses, I also leave a link in the description with a good fuse map for this vehicle, so you can use it. And also the second one is here under the hood. Here are two locks that you need to unlock, and here are the fuses and relays. It also has maps here and several replacement fuses that you can use. So a good thing to know where the fuses are located in this vehicle to check if something is wrong.